If you want to launch an application, what you have to do is go through F12 and then find the application that you want to run, and then enter. But I find it that it takes a little too long, and normally what I have been doing is using Rofi, which is application launcher. Though if you just punch in whatever you want, it finds it very quickly. One of the advantages, although it's not listed normally, is if you want to open up a Puppy package manager and Rofi on you can just type in ppm and it launches the application, the Puppy package manager, so you can install different applications. So here, what you want to do, first thing you want to do is find the application that FindnRun. So you can just FindnRun, and I have it already installed in this ISO. So we'll just go ahead and get out of that now. And we'll just first is you go ahead and install the ppm through the ppm, and then next thing you want to do is add a function to this FindnRunrc file. So let me just show you. On our root there is a FindnRunrc file, and we can just take a brief look at it. And normally with this function on a default setting, what you'll do is we'll go ahead and run a FindnRun. You'll see this little window here, and sometimes it starts at different place on my computer, and I find it that it's much more convenient to modify it a little bit. And so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and modify this particular file. So I had experimented, and if we add this geometry function, this particular number on my display, it puts up a reasonable size window right here. So to do that, we can just go ahead and type in this command in the terminal to add this line to the file, and also to go ahead and pop up in the Genie, and then also restart the JWM so it is ready to go. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and drag it with the left mouse, and then open up the terminal, and then we'll go ahead and copy it in. So what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and enter, and now it's reloaded the file. Now you can see that that there is a extra line that's been inserted here. So that's all ready to go. And then what we can do again is run FindnRun from this is Rofi. Then you can see that it starts a much larger a window right in the middle where I prefer. So that's how I got it set up, and let me just go through with you. So here on a default setting, you can go ahead and find whatever you want quickly, and then let me just go ahead and bring it up again. And then I noticed that if I just entered F2 button, if I just hit the F2 button, the focus goes down here, and here you can type in usually whatever the script files you would normally type in terminal. But let me just go back to the here, and if I just type in ppm, it doesn't find it as a Puppy package manager. You can certainly go down and then find Puppy package. Well, it may just be easier. Just go ahead and Puppy package manager. So here it is. Okay, but let me just bring it up again. Sorry about this. And then it's easier if I just click on F2 and then focus goes down here where the terminal is. Here, if you just type in ppm, it recognizes the entry into the terminal, which will bring up the Puppy package manager. So there is a two quick way of finding whatever you want on a find and run. So we'll go ahead and get out of that. And it'd be nice to be able to bind a keyboard combination to Puppy package manager to find and run. So you can do that easily by getting into root.jwm folder and the jwm personnel file, and I have it already here. And normally with a control space bar, the Rofi pops up. So now what we want to do is we want to just go ahead and add a similar line, but I've elected to use super key, window key, and space bar to trigger a find and run. So let's just go ahead and save it. And we want to go ahead and reread the JWM configuration. So now we're going to enter window key and space bar. Now it opens here where we want it, and now it's ready to go ahead and click whatever the to receive whatever the command that you want to give it.